everybody. So in this video we're talking about adding and subtracting radicals. So they tell us to find each sum or difference and simplify first. So the reason they want you to simplify is because you can only add radicals when the number underneath the radical is the same. So we're going to need to simplify these three first and then look for radicands that are the same. This is really no different than when you learn to combine like terms with polynomials. So you can only combine x's with x's and y's with y's. So here we can only combine radicals that have the same number underneath. So we'll start by simplifying these. So I have -5 times the square root of 8. Remember, we're looking for the largest perfect square that can divide into 8 and give us a whole number, and that is going to be 4. So the square root of 4 is 2. So this is going to be 2 root 2 plus 2 times the square root of 45. The largest perfect square that can go into 45 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3, so this is 3 root 5 plus 3. The largest perfect square that can go into 200 is 100. The square root of 100 is 10, so this is 10 root 2. Now, if you need additional help simplifying radicals, I have that in a prior video. Here, I'm just working through and simplifying the radical as I go. So -5 times 2, this is going to give us -10 root 2 plus 6 root 5 plus 30 root 2. So here I have simplified my radicals, and now what I'm doing is I am looking for terms where I have the same number underneath the radical. So here I have a -10 root 2, so I'm paying attention to that root 2, and here I have 30 root 2. So I can combine these two terms. So here I will underline these to let us know that we are going to combine these, and -10 plus 30 is going to give me 20. So now I have 20 root 2 plus 6 root 5. And here, that will be my solution. Now I'll come over here. Same thing as our first problem. We cannot add anything because all of these radicals have different numbers underneath the radical sign. So we need to simplify. So here, 10 root 6, is there a perfect square that can divide into 6? And there's not, so this will not simplify. So this is going to stay 10 root 6 plus 18 times, all right, what's the largest perfect square that can go into 150? And that's going to be 25. So this is 5 root 6 minus 4 times the largest perfect square that can go into 54 is 9. So this will be 3 root 6. So now I will simplify here. So I still have 10 root 6 plus 18 times 5 is going to give me 90. 4 times 3 is going to give me 12. And now all three of these have a square root of 6. So I need to say 10 plus 90 minus 12. So 100 minus 12 is going to give me 88. So here my solution is going to be 88 root 6, and that's going to be my solution. All right, that's going to be all for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.